Okay guys, we are here once again with the handsome Ty, who we are doing today what we're calling a celestial alien look on him. I am using the 18 Hit Wonders palette. We're gonna go ahead with this color, Velvet, and I'm gonna pack this all over his eye. And you're gonna wanna take the shadow all the way up to the actual brow bone and even into the brow hairs. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Electric, which is this one from the palette. And again, with like a stamping motion, I think is like the best way to use these. I'm gonna bring the blue onto the outer corner of the eye. And we're just gonna start to blend her down pretty low. I'm gonna keep on building this eye. We're gonna get this blue to be really concentrated. I have most of his eye done, and we're gonna start working on the highlighter portion of the look. And I'm using this prismatic highlighting holographic duo in the color Blue Lagoon. I'm gonna be using this left side on the palette, which is kind of like a very, very faint sort of lavendery with sort of like blue undertones in it. We're gonna blend it into the blue. Okay, so I'm also gonna pop some highlighter in his inner corner. So one of the last steps I did was to just place some of the highlighter, again, this color on the left, right on top of the blue under the eye. Last step to finish off this celestial alien look. I am using this really interesting product right from e.l.f. It's called the Mix to Match Adjuster in the color Lighten. I've mixed it with a tiny bit of water in a lid. And we're gonna put some of that on the spoolie, which is a really great trick to get sort of this little like splatter technique on someone's face. So I'm gonna load up the spoolie, and then we're simply just going to use a flicking motion and flick these white dots all over his face. I think he's done. How do you feel?
I feel out of this world.
Oh, amazing. You see, that's how you should feel.